has changed. Why can't he? Why can't I? Lights bleed into restless streets. Engines roar, but I feel alone. Every crowd push feels like stone. I walked away, I tried to change, buried your name in the noise, the rain. But every night, every cry brings back your face. I can't deny. And it won't let me go. I tried to run, I tried to hide, but your memory lives inside. My only one hope, my son, my beloved. In my eyes I found rest in his laughter. Release, I live for him. Money buys eyes, not a soul. Crowds surround you, but leave you cold. You can break me, deny my name, but you can't control my in his eyes.